If you want to change clock on the lock screen in the Poco C85, start by opening the settings. Now scroll down and you have to go for personalization. And over here, just select lock screen. Just tap on it. There we go. And as you can see right now, we can customize the current clock by clicking like so, and we can find all of those settings about this clock style. But if you want to completely change its style, you have to scroll here and find the different clocks, even the big one, like for example this one. So let's say I want to get, for example, this one. I have to click on it. Before I have to click customize, and here, as you can see, in this case we actually cannot change its style. Like we cannot customize this clock. We can only change style for this one, but of course we can change the color of the font, of the date and the time. So now to apply, we have to click on this button.